Hello everyone, so in this short video I just want to show you where you can find and configure access policy for the Citrix gateway on a delivery group. So I'm not talking about the conventional policies, I'm talking about this one here, so the access policy, and this can be very handy if you have Citrix gateway. So in most cases you will have one. I do not have one at this moment, but I can give you an idea on how to use it and why is it it's helpful in some cases. So for example, let's say you have multiple gateways. One gateway can be accessed if the users have an PKI, or a different gateway can be accessed if a user has an RSA token. So if you want, for example, to filter out that only the users that come from the gateway that is configured with PKI, you can do it here. As you can see, so this is the default, and all connection. So what this basically means that when a user logs in, even if it doesn't come from a gateway, he can access and see the resources. So let me just show you as an example. So that is the default. I didn't change anything. Let me log off and log on one more time. Okay, so these three applications and this desktop are all configured on that delivery group, and we can see them even if we do not have, even if we didn't access the resources from the gateway. We used the storefront directly. If we want to limit that, so for example, if we want to force the users to use the gateway, for example, if you have a lot of users inside your network and you need to route them through the gateway, you just can uncheck this, go save, and now your users, when they connect to the storefront directly, they will no longer see those resources. Let's just refresh. Okay, so as you can see, the desktop and the apps disappeared. So this is one use case, and the other use case that I already told you about, the PKI stuff. Let's say, for example, you have some applications that absolutely need a PKI, so the user absolutely needs a PKI, and if he doesn't have that, the application will not work. And to make sure that only the users that have a PKI card see your applications, an easy way to filter them out is just to go to the access policy, you can uncheck this, but those two you need to let them checked, and you just need to create a filter. Now in the filter you can mention the gateway name. So if you have for example a gateway that only serves for PKI authentication, then you just write the name of that gateway. Here I don't have an example for you because I do not have as I told you, I do not have a gateway, but here is where you can configure that. And as the site name, you can use, if you don't want to write the site name, you can do this, as also Citrix said in that warning, and it will work with all sites. And here is the filter part. I do have an example, but I cannot show you that it works or not. You can filter out like this, and only the users that come from this gateway will see the resources. So this is a very useful thing to know. And yeah, this was it basically, because I don't have a gateway and I cannot show you all the way. But from my point of view, this is enough to give you an idea on how to configure it, or at least to know that this is possible. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.